Truck caps, sometimes called truck bed toppers, enhance your truck's practicality and usability. But which is better, a fiberglass or aluminum truck cap? Let's examine both types to find out. Fiberglass toppers are strong and offer great protection. They can be color matched to your truck and won't easily rust or dent. However, they can weigh up to 200 pounds and are difficult to install and remove. Fiberglass caps are one piece, so they cannot be easily shipped. They're also not as well suited for heavy-duty use as an aluminum truck cap. High-quality aluminum modular toppers, like the EXP truck cap, are designed to be light yet strong thanks to their panel-based construction. Modular construction makes them easier to move, self-install, and store. The modular aluminum EXP truck cap can ship to your home or shop and be assembled and installed in 1 to 2 hours, and no drilling or permanent modifications are required. Aluminum truck caps don't have much of a downside, except possibly for limited color options. Our EXP truck cap is available in a textured powder-coated black finish that looks great on any truck. The EXP truck cap is not your average aluminum topper. It has advanced weather sealing, secure locking on all doors, optional roof rails, and integrated LED lighting. Follow the link below for more information about the EXP truck cap from Westin Automotive.